Start.
Okay, that's my pink on your Lucky. She's about 3 years old. Okay, come on, Lucky.
Anything else? That's all.
No. Yeah, let's go on to the cockatiels. Okay, she's trying to bite the camera. Say hi, Lucky. Oh, don't try to bite me. Okay. I'm just going to leave her over here. No, go. No. Oh no. There, go. Okay. This beautiful cockatiel right here is little Cutie. Say hi, Cutie. She's about, I'd consider her about 6 months old. She's not that. Lucky tends to bite nowadays, but as you can see, she has small feet, poor little thing. Others have big feet. This one right here is my little super boy right here, Andrew. He's the son of the mother, Spotty and Monty, or known as Cola. He loves headrubs. Is that right? Oh, and Lucky's right there. Andrew just loves his headrubs. Oh yeah. He's almost 2 months old. Yeah, his parents keep on plucking his feathers, but he's getting them. In here we have, well, let's start with the nesting box first. That is Daddy Spotty. We're not sure if we can see him, but who cares? He's swinging around like crazy. We have 4 eggs that we're not sure if they're fertile or not. Let's just move it from Spotty. He's going crazy. This one right here is Cola. She's the mother. And she's kind of scared of the camera, aren't she? She can get bitey at sometimes, but... Okay, well that's my birds, and Lucky is right here again, so... Alright guys, just want to show you my birds. And... Okay, so bye!